guys, it's Remy. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna build an apartment. First of all, I started with the entrance. I added some stickers on the wall and the mailbox with some flowers in it. Then I added some letters. And I added a doorbell and then started adding some plants around. Then I added a pink trash can, some lights, and changed the wall color. Now let's move on to the inside. I added this thing with some stickers on it. I changed up the stickers a little, and then I added some candles and stuff to put on the table. Then I added the pink candles. I wanted everything to be pink. I added a pink mug with some letter on it, and then I added this little cactus. Finally, I added some plants and lights and a key holder. Then this room, I don't want to do it now. I moved to the living room. I added white sofa, white chairs, and a rug, and this table. On the table, I added a remote controller, PC controller, and some food and drinks. Then I started adding some plants. Here I added some shelves and this lamp, and then I decorated the shelves like that. Then started working on the kitchen. I added some shelves with some things on it. I wanted a pink kitchen. I added the table and the pink chairs and these candles. Here I wanted to make a cat area with some cat trees, and the balcony I wanted to add some plants on it like that. I added a rug which I will remove because I didn't like it, and changed it to a beige rug. Then I moved on to the bathroom. I wanted to make the bathroom pink, but I didn't like the pink bathtub. It felt so big and I didn't know what to do with it, so I changed my mind. I started rearranging stuff. Then I decided to put the products that I need. Then I added this golden shower. Then I put some shelves and started putting the products on them. Then I changed the sink to a pink one here and used this bathrobe, which is so cute. Then I changed the toilet and put some painting. Then I didn't like how the shelves looked with the mirror on, and decided to get rid of the top shelf and put the shampoo and conditioner and soap on the bathroom and have one shelf. Then I changed the mirror to a more coquette one. Here I added some lights and changed the shelf placement and the mirror. So this is how the bathroom looked. I like this arrangement, but I felt like it's missing something, and I added some plants. Then I added this rug and moved on to the bedroom. First of all, I added the bed, which is so pink and beautiful, and added a vanity. I wanted to add a pink closet, but I didn't like how it looked with the room, so I used this hanger instead. I moved the bed next to the window and added a shelf and started adding some plants in the room. Also, I replaced the vanity with this pink one. Here I started decorating the room and trying things out. Here I added pink candles and some crystals and 2 candles next to the bed and this cute side table. Here I started adding some things on the vanity, some skincare and perfume. Here I finished decorating the shelves and then started decorating the side table. I wanted to put some kind of food on it. I didn't like how this painting looked and started moving things around and putting more plants. I added some lights and clothes on the hanger and this painting. Here I changed the rug. Then I moved on to this room. I wanted to make it into a working place to edit some videos and film some videos. Here I added this computer and some cameras. I added this table and put the computer on it and some lights at the top, and some papers and a pen. Then I added this as a white background and a chair and some shelves, which I decorated like that. Then I added this plant and a curtain, and that's it. This is the final look of the apartment. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you.